Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you how to make the smallest number as well as the largest number using a given set of digits only once. Now, I'll tell you, like some digits will be given to us, like 3, 7, 5, 0, something like this. And you have using these digits only once. Every digit should be used only once, and you have to make the smallest number as well as the largest number. And there is a small trick, or there is a small thing about which you must pay attention when you are making the smallest and the largest number, and I'm going to tell you all this in this video. So let's go to our slide. Okay, children, in this slide we are going to make the largest number as well as the smallest number using the given set of digits. Now, children, we are going to use these digits only once, and we will make the largest as well as the smallest number. I'm sure this kind of thing you must have done in class 4-3 also. But now the numbers have become bigger. So let us start. For the largest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. Descending order means the biggest digit will come first, and the next smaller, and so on till you go to the smallest digit. If we arrange the digits in this manner, the largest digit will be at the largest place of the number. Okay, so here the largest digit is 9. We will write 9 first, then 8, then 7, then 5, then 3, then 2, and then 1. We will see what is the number which has been formed. But before that, we have to form the smallest number also. Obviously, for the smallest numbers, we have to arrange all these digits in ascending order. And ascending order, you remember, it is starting from the smallest digit, you have to go till the largest digit. So we will write 1 first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So children, when we have made the largest number, let us first read the number. 98,75,321. In this number, children, 9, the biggest digit, is at the biggest place of the number. It is at 10 lakhs place. So, using these set of digits, this number is the largest. Now, if you read this number, come on, let us read this number. 12,35,789. Using this set of digits, this is the smallest number. So, you can see that the smallest digit is coming at the largest place, and the largest digit is coming at the smallest place. It is coming at 1's place. So, children, this is the smallest number using these digits. Okay, let's move further. We have been given this set of digits also. So let us make the largest number with these digits. Okay, so we can see that the biggest digit amongst these digits is 8. So we will first of all write 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. This way, our largest number will be formed. We will read it in a while. But before that, let us make the smallest number. Now, for making the smallest number, as I told you earlier, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Okay, let us arrange in ascending order, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But there's a problem. We have put 0 in front of the number. Now, children, if a number is written like this, just imagine if a number is written like this, 0, 0, 0, 8. How will you read the number? Obviously, you will read it like 8. And you will tell me, ma'am, these zeros have no value because they are coming in front of 8. So, this number will be read as 8 only. Same way, children, if we have written 0 in front of the number, it will have no value. It will not be included in the number. So what should we do? We should exchange 0 with the next bigger number. So it means we should exchange the places of 0 and 1. 1 should come first and 0 should come later. And then 0 will be included in the number. Okay, let's see. Right. Now let us first read the largest number. 87 crore 65 lakh 43,210. Now this 0 is very important because if you remove this 0, the number will become different. So it is included in the number. So we have got 87 crore. So the biggest digit 8 is at the biggest place 10 crore. Now look at the smallest number. 10 crore 23 lakh 45,678. In this number, children, if this 0 had come at this place, then the number would be 1 crore 23 lakh 45,678 and 0 would have got excluded from the number, which would be wrong. So it is very important whenever the given set of digits have 0 in it, the 0 will come at the second largest place in the smallest number. So you can see that 1 and 0 are not in ascending order. Rest all the digits are in ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are in ascending order. Only we have changed the places of 1 and 0. I hope you would have understood that no number starts from 0. If we had written 0 in front, it would have not been included in the number and our smallest number would have become wrong. Okay, now let us see this set of digits. Look children, there is a 0 here too. So when we make the smallest number from this set of digits, we have to be very careful. Okay, let us first make the largest number. So I must write down all the digits in descending order. So I will write 9, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1 and 0. Simple. But for the smallest number, we must not start from 0. So from where are we going to start? We are going to start from 1. We will write it 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, let us see. Right, the largest number is 97 lakh 54,210 and the smallest number is 10 lakh 24,100. 579. Here also, children, we have exchanged this 0 and this 1's place. We have exchanged them and we have included 0 in the number itself. Okay, let's do one more example. I'm sure by now you would have understood the concept. Okay, for the largest number, I am arranging the digits in descending order. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 and 0. That was the largest number. We will read the number later. Now I have to make the smallest number. Now the smallest digit is 0. But I cannot put 0 at the largest place. No number starts from 0. So what should I do? I will put 2 first. I will write 2, 0, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let us see the number. 9 crore 87 lakh 64,320 is the largest number formed with this set of digits. And 2 crore 3 lakh 46,789 is the number formed by this set of digits, and this is the smallest number. So children, I hope you would have understood, whenever the set of digits contain 0, the 0 must come at the second largest place in the smallest number. I hope you would have understood how to make the largest number as well as the smallest number with the given set of digits. Okay, please practice it because practice makes a man perfect. Okay, children, thank you very much. Have a great day.